Hello everyone. The point of sale multiple quantity app helps user to selling the product in the bunch. User have to allow or disallow multiple quantities for the point of sale configurations. User can set in multiple of quantity on each product and view the bunch of quantities in the point of sale with a single click. So after installing this module, we need to do some point of sale configuration. So let's get into the settings. Under point of sale, user can see an option to allow multiple quantities. So we need to allow this option. So once this is done, now let's get into end point of sale where you can see the products. Okay, so for each and every product we can set and multiple quantities. So from here user can see an option for adding and multiple of quantities. Now you can see I have added and quantities of 5. Okay, so once this is done, let's get into the point of sale screen by clicking on the new session which is available here. When user add those product into the cart, it will add a multiple quantity which we have set in the point of sale. In this way, we can make use of this module to help user to sell the product in the bunch. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.